guys, I never updated y'all, but this is the FTMO account. Pick one trade. It was 0.01. Did it just because for the fun of it. I don't know. I didn't feel like trading. I just wanted to get one of these minimum days down, pass this challenge, and then restart. Probably do another one after we completed everything. I want to just get a funded account and move on, do other things with my life other than studying ICT. That's pretty much it. After we're done studying, watching his videos, I'm gonna call it a quit. I'm gonna be done watching him, done trading with him on Twitter and all that. Yeah. I never updated y'all about the notes either. So we recently finished month 10. We go all the way down to the bottom. We finished it. It was a pretty good month. Multi-analysis. And then we finished month 11 today. I finished both of them today, I think. And it was pretty long. Didn't hit the gym today either. But I do plan on waking up early tomorrow and trading tomorrow and passing the challenge. The FTMO challenge just with one trade. 2 lots. Kind of risking the account a little bit more. Risking 20% of the account, but you know, if you know what you're doing, if you have good bias and good risk management, then there's no point of being scared. So yeah, and then we're kind of on month 11, but we finished that already. Pretty short. Month 12, pretty short too, but I feel like this one's gonna be longer. Has more of the programs by itself, and then we're gonna start up the mentorship, the 2023 mentorship. Those videos are super long. I don't plan on seeing myself. The last one I finished like in 2 weeks, so in this one I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna try to finish it in 1 week, 1 weekend. I'm trying to finish it like in 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I already have my edge. I know what to do after the core content months and volume 2.
Retracement. We'll have to look at some things as we go through our process. But the next point of concern is we have to look at the rate.
Alright guys, we're almost done with ICT. Hold on. That lofi music makes me feel better. But I know ICT will be mad at me right now because I joined this Discord, the Vine Traders Grant. He's beefing with TGR, whatever. I joined it back up. I joined it before, but I left, I think, last February. The previous month I left, around the beginning of it, once I started a funded account. Oh, I think the middle of the funded account trading when I switched to the gray background, switched back. But we're almost done with his month 12 content, and a lot of people on Twitter right now, well, not a lot of people, this one guy on Twitter was saying how he, what I'm doing is basically wrong. He said removing ICT from my day trading for my trading was the best thing I ever did. I still trade his concepts, but I don't follow any of his content, new teachings, etc. Why? Because there's simply too much. If you plot every single PDA in your charts, they'll be at level every 2 to 5 pips, which leads to analysis paralysis for me, and simplicity is key. What? That's how I know he didn't watch ICT, because look, you see that? That's such BS, bro. You plotted every single PD array. Why would you plot every single PD array that has no confluence to why the directional bias will be going to where it is going? That's how I know you didn't watch ICT and you didn't listen to him. You leached off his concepts, and that's pretty much what he's teaching you for, to leech off his concepts, but you're not using them correctly, or you're not using every single one of them correctly. And if you mark every 1 minute PD array, of course you're gonna have that. Of course, you're gonna have that. If you go to month 8 real quick, like me, I'm saying, if you're a real trader, I'm saying, he's gonna tell you as to why you're not supposed to have too many PD arrays, because they lack volume on the lower time frames. If you have a higher time frame PD array and you have directional bias on the higher time frame, you're gonna know where the market wants to go, because nothing's loading right now, man. None of my notes are loading. This big rejection block, and guess what it's doing? It's reacting to it really well. It's hitting this big rejection block. Look at that, it's going down. Every time it's been in the rejection block, guess what? Spikes above it, it goes down, goes down, goes down, spikes above it, goes down. Guess what price wants to do? Hit it and go down. This is on the 4 hour too. If you find beautiful confluences on the 4 hour, you're gonna be trading beautifully. This big order block imbalance, I think it was on the weekly. Yeah, it's on the weekly time frame. Rejection block and weekly time frame. Everything has to align with the higher time frame. If you don't know, if you're watching ICT correctly, if you're watching it correctly, you gotta do look at this. I'm waiting for it to be sweeping shell side and go up and it hits buy side, and we're gonna be taking this trade. Oh my goodness. Most people just trade, let me type it out real quick. Most people just trade, they wait for a liquidity sweep, so LS, and then they wait for a break of structure, and then they wait for a fair value gap or an order block. That's all these people do. That's all these people trade. Alright guys, so we basically finished core content months. We finished all the core content months. I feel like, bro, everything in the core content was probably way better than the 2022 mentorship, if I'm being real. A lot of people say the 2022 mentorship is good. I rather prefer the core content. I don't know why I'm weird. I just feel like he goes more in depth, and you know, 2022 mentorship is good, but core content he actually reviews and he goes, I'm not even gonna say too much, you know. You'll find out why if you study the core content, but you can do what you want to do. 2022 mentorship is still good, you know. He's more updated basically, and it's not, you know, from 2017, 2016, old charts, old methods. You know, 2022 mentorship is pretty valid too. But just like some concepts he teaches in the core content is, you know, they won't be in the 2022 mentorship. But I'm finna start up the 23 mentorship, and I'm finna watch the first episode and then probably a couple more. And I don't know if I feel like I'm not getting what I want, then of course I'm gonna just leave and go to the Nawag, and that's it. If I feel like he's just reteaching these lessons, I'm gonna just keep watching, I guess. I'm not gonna take as many notes as I, you know, did before. I used to take, you know, every sentence he would say, every caption I would read, I would probably jot it down. Like, price is fractal. You won't always get every trade right, you know. I'll be marking down everything, every single note, every single, you know, sentence, every single breath he was taking. I was basically marking it down. It's just not good, you know. I learned how to. Alright guys, I basically do have a lot of charts too on my phone. This is what helped me a lot. I would go on Twitter, find a lot of SMC traders, see, you know, their way of trading, their charts, and like why they did certain levels, the reason. And you know, I was using them. They're pretty good. No wog, no dog. I'm still yet to do this. But you know, I was using these people's charts, and it was helping me understand the market, you know, as to why it moved. And then, you know, this one guy, Jeremy, he was really good. His name is Jeremy on Twitter. Jeremy Cole. Yeah, I don't want to expose his last name, but his name is Jeremy on Twitter. Optimal Trading Tree. And you know, he would those charts every day, and it was really, you know, helpful. I'm not even gonna lie. Using other people's charts and like seeing what they did and using their models and the concept. You're first starting to understand this. This was March 5th, bro. This is not too long ago either. I was using it. This is ICT. If you treat the 4-hour or 60-minute as your daily chart and study the 5-minute structure, a whole new world opens. Testing to see. Man, I have been. It's March 4th, bro. Not even too long ago. Again, Jeremy, bro. He's beautiful, bro. His charts are beautiful. Even before then, you know, this is February 27th. I can show y'all guys. Look, this is February 2020. 22nd. You know, every day I was studying his concepts, his trades. 20 seconds still, bro. Like I was trying to read every chart, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was trying to read everybody's chart long before that too, bro. No, that was pretty much the start. The start of it was February 11th. That's when I first started doing this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's ICT. Alright guys, currently logged into my MT4 account on the Funding app, and we did lose this account, but I'm going to review every single trade I took and analyze why I've lost them after finishing the core content. And tomorrow I do plan on, you know, backtesting for real this time, and then probably because it's really late, but I'd probably, you know, I'm gonna backtest and then start the 2023 mentorship up. And but as of right now, I'm going to go through each losing trade and see why I lost, and probably go through the winning too. And yeah, probably see why the fear and greed got to me, why I pulled out, you know, some of these winners. I know I could have passed the challenge with this 200 trade, or is it a 200 right here on this day? I remember if I would have held the trade, I think it was a different one. Yeah, it was this one right here. I know we were selling and price was dropping really low. We hit 200, and I remember that was just the beginning of the move, of the manipulation happening to the power tier 3, and then price dropped even lower. And we just caught the beginning of the move. We didn't catch the meat of the move at a specific time, which, you know, didn't correlate with the amount of volume I wanted. And, you know, it was pretty bad trading in the middle of the night, basically. Asian range, no volume, basically, I should say. And, you know, I wasn't trading these strategies. I wasn't finding, you know, my trading plan. I basically was gambling still with ICT concepts, I should say, you know, but some were working, but some weren't working. We basically lost 600. We lost the whole account, profits, all these small days trading. You know, we got blown out. It was a really bummer time for me because I was basically flipping a coin. Basically, you know, I was buying, selling the same day. You know, oversized leverage. all this other stuff, having, you know, just trying to complete the challenge as fast as I can, and not even having a real reason to enter the market. Boom, you know, we could have took this trade right here on the same day, the 10th. This is the 10th, Friday the 10th. This is the 9th around when we lost. Oh wait, hold on, yeah, we did lose the 9th. I'm tripping. It was the 9th around right here when we shorted the market, and this one right here in the morning around here when we longed it. Hold on, yeah, wait, good 3-4 handles, 5 handles, you know, a little bit more. And then if we followed the actual direction of the weekly bias, we could have gotten a lot more actually. All right, ladies and gents, we started the mentorship up. We're in the mentorship right now, and yeah, I'll let y'all know how it goes. He's just going through the intro right now, so yeah. All right guys, we're 20 minutes in, and it's been beautiful, bro. Beautiful, nothing but beauty. I'm just looking at the charts, I'm looking at his videos, you know, everything is coming together, everything he's talking about. A lot of people don't understand it. Maybe you have to watch this video a couple times, you know, maybe you have to do this, do that, but everything he's talking about, you know, I understand it. It's beautiful, man. This man is changing, life changer to us. He's really is a life changer. I want to, you know, get the CE and then the Nawag, but tomorrow I'm gonna officially start up my FTML account challenge, my free trial, and then I'm going to be displaying my TikTok to y'all. Hold on, displaying my other YouTube channel real quick. Let me show y'all real quick, just in case y'all are wondering which other channel. It's called SMT, Smart Money Trader Roxy. That's going to be my new name, Roxy, SMT Roxy. And this is our free trial right here, and we're currently visible. Login, blah blah blah. El Clasico is playing right now, bro. Real Madrid versus Barca. Rafinha, look at Rafinha. What's the score, bro? Araujo scored. Where's Real Madrid? He scored an own goal, I think. On a Roberto. Oh yeah, Ronaldo Araujo own goal, bro. Come on, bro. You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that. Let me show you guys. Ooh, Barcelona, bro. Victor Osimhen is the GOAT, though. I love Victor Osimhen. Love Napoli right now, bro. Napoli's on top, bro. They're gonna win Champions League. But predicting it, what is today? I'm predicting Napoli winning against either Real Madrid or Bayern. 19th March. So I'll update y'all in summertime. So yeah. Alright, guys, we finished the first 2 videos. I don't know why he's like this. I finished the whole thing, and I was watching him trade at the end, and boom, and it ended off like that. We're still on this one, saying we finished it, but we haven't. I don't know. It says if we finished a lot of these videos, but we haven't. We haven't watched them before. But we're 3 out of 41 right now, and I plan on going to 5, and stopping there. Maybe finishing 4 in this one. Maybe finishing even 5 if I have enough time, and just skimming through it. You know, of course I'm not gonna skip every section. I'm just skip every other 5 seconds here and there, because you know, I feel like he does repeat some of the same stuff, and I'm not a neophyte. I was backtesting, not backtesting, what was I? I was backtesting, I'm not gonna lie. I was fixing up my charts. This is my old Euro chart. I haven't even touched it recently, and I had just been fixing my style. It was volume and balance. It tapped it in perfectly on the, bro, like, there's multiple trade entries that I could have taken on these charts, man. It's crazy to see how much we've progressed. And to use this as an inversion right here, boom, order block as an inversion again, boom, and it went up even higher, took out buy side liquidity, and it's going down now. It hit this breaker perfectly. You see that? Boom. Never tapped the order block though, never took out liquidity, sell side, and no, never took out sell side. Could use a breaker around here maybe, or you know, have these equal highs, or this liquidity up here, this buy side and the sell side.